Using Honeybook as a event planner is a pretty simple thing to do, and I have made a brief guide in which I'm gonna show you exactly how you guys can do it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, comment under the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any future updates. So let's dive right into it. This is the Honeybook website, and I'm gonna provide the link in the description below so you guys can check it out. So these are some bunch of tools that they are providing right now, which can send invoices, send contracts, book and schedule, automate workflow, track inquiries, to manage projects, send forms and questionnaires, and accept payments online. And if you're not sure what you're gonna, what do you want at the moment, you can simply go ahead and contact their customer support and they will help you out and sort out what problem and how you can fix the problem. So I have made a brief notes. I'm going to show you guys how you guys can do it. So this is the complete guide. So first thing first, you need to set up your profile. In order to set up your profile, what you have to do is to go ahead and create an account. And if you already have an account, simply go ahead and log in with that. So if you don't have an account, you can simply go ahead and create one. These are some pricings that you guys can go with, and these are some plans and the pricing. So you can choose according to your requirement. So the other thing is templates. Create a reusable proposals, contracts, and questionnaires. And then the other thing is the client management, track leads using the track leading tool of the Honeybook, and use client portal like stuff that is available on the internet, and the streamlined communications, project management, organize events with the task, timeline, and collaborative tools, invoices and payments, and then scheduling. You guys can use a lot of bunch of tools that are available for the Honeybook. As you guys can see that we can send invoices, we can send contracts and book and schedule, and then we can manage projects and send queries and questionnaires and automate flow. So these are all the things that we need right now. And then automation. Save time by automating workflow like flow follow-ups and reminders, and reporting. Use analytics to track revenue and evaluate the performance. So this is how Honeybook can be used for the when planning purposes. I hope you find this video helpful.